What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Here's how you change an engine air filter on a Ford Taurus. First thing you want to do is locate your hood latch, which is right there. You're going to pull it. Now, I personally like to use only Motorcraft parts. So this is the air filter. You can get this at Ford or any other company. You might just want to look up online and see where you can get your hands on one. The engine air filter is right in here. So you are going to want to remove those metal clips. There is one there, one there, and I think that's it. So once we have those removed, you want to use a screw to untighten this, unlock it, and then pull this piece that way and up. I don't think I could do this with one hand, but you can see that came right off. And the engine air filter is right there, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that right now. All right, so this is the old one here. I don't know if you can see, but it is pretty dirty. I change mine very often, but you know, if you're not sure whether you need to replace yours, you might want to talk to a Ford representative. But the filter goes this way. I mean, it's really hard to mess it up. All right, here's the comparison of the old and the new. The new one is actually yellow. I did buy it again at Ford dealership, so I don't remember where I got this. I think it was at Jiffy Lube at one of the times where I was doing a service on my car. I didn't ask for it. I think it was a tune-up or something. They automatically did it. But now that I'm specifically wanting to replace that part, I went and got the Motorcraft engine air filter. So I can't do this with one hand. Let me put my phone down and get to it. Oh, one thing I forgot to say is you want to make sure that the inside is clean. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up inside and get it all nice and clean in there. Okay, so the new filter's in there, all clean. Again, I don't think I could do this with one hand, but you're going to make sure that these sides are in perfectly before you work on this side. So it's a little tricky. It took a little bit of shaking to get these in there, but because they have to be aligned with that part right there. So now that we have that, you just put these back in place and insert two. There you go. I didn't have to mess with this. That's how you change your engine air filter. Again, it's good for the engine. Super important. I've showed you guys how to do the cabin air filter, but just as important, way more important than that actually, you need to replace your engine air filter if they don't do it with your service. It takes a couple of minutes. Obviously you need two hands. Thank you for watching. We'll see you with the next one. Take care.